How to check time spent watching YouTube videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to check time spent watching YouTube videos. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch YouTube app on your phone. Make sure you log into your account. Navigate to profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down. Look for the option of time watch and select that section. Here, you can easily view all the time you spend watching YouTube videos. You should find a detailed graph of time spent watching YouTube videos as well. You'll be able to see how many hours or minutes exactly you have spent each day. You can easily see today it's 22 minutes. Last 7 days, you can find out 5 hours 44 minutes. If you wish to use the tools to manage your YouTube time, you can even use that. So in this way, you can check time spent watching YouTube videos. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.